Whoa. I turned around, there's something different. Is that fun? Are you having a good time? She's smoking. I can see her in the cottage here. Eating.
Hey, Rudy.
Sorry, Rude. A little less space for you in the house.
It's like, oh my God, this just keeps getting worse.
I wonder if she's like, is that thing going to come after me?
She has one more thing to fear.
Yeah.
Now she's got a play chair phobia. I'm leaving.
It's okay, Rude.
Thanks for a lovely reading. It's your tail.
Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit.
Wrap that tail in her.
Cool stuff, huh, Meg?
Oh boy. That one reach your mouth? Oh yes.
Right at my